Welcome to the Kokrajhar Desai Stadium where the first quarter-final takes place. Northeast United FC would be taking on the Indian Army football team. It's all set here.
You look at the squad that Juan Pedro Benali has put out, it's a 4-3-2-1, Henry, and of course all eyes will be on a certain Nestor, Guillermo, number 9, and also Bemamar, number 6, calling the shots in the middle.
Pradeep and Zoltan will be like into the central defenders. Alan Thapa, all eyes will be on him. Boylan Konsai, Rahul Ramakrishnan, Liton Seal, the man.
And as soon as this game goes on, I'm guessing more and more will come into the stadium. And we're off. It's quarterfinal number 1 coming your way. A lot of positives for the team in green. But for now, it's their defense that's being tested by Northeast United. Brilliant ball put in by Jithin MS. Should have done a lot better. Turnover for Northeast United. Here comes Jithin MS. Option for the cross. Goes for the cross. Just mishits it. Nestor. Another worked free kick. Well worked free kick. Had space for the shot.
Look at this variation, very well placed over there. This is from the practice.
Here comes Jithin MS again. He has options. Guillermo now. First touch let him down. Nonetheless, took the shot, but ably kept away by Indian Army's goalkeeper Malla. Corner for Northeast United. What you have in your hand, of course, it's a long season, and now you've got a good move being built up from the right flank for Northeast United. Guillermo being found. Guillermo with the shot, and what a save by Malla.
Look at that fluidity in passing from there, from right, from behind. The build-up was so superb over there.
Challenge the Northeast United. The ball seems good. It seems very good. And the save equally good from Gurmeet of Northeast United. Here come Indian Army. This is a brilliant end to this first half. End-to-end stuff happening at Kokrajhar. Options in front. There's an option down that left flank. Dinesh has space for the shot. Takes the shot. Brilliantly saved as well. How is Indian Army not one goal up in this first half?
What a free-flowing football this has been. Look at that, the number of greens up front, and then
in this first quarter-final of the 133rd edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup. 45 minutes in, and this first quarter-final has seen neither team finding the opening goal in the first 45. Northeast United 0, Indian Army football team 0. A lot of power. You want to keep on pressurizing Northeast United. Brilliant shot taken. Wonderful shot.
just keeps his eye on the ball, takes the ball out from there.
Meanwhile, here comes Jithin MS. Gets past two players with these. Now he has options. He has options for the shot.
All the time in the world. What a lovely layoff that was, especially when you see that ball over there. Look at the defender. Look at Sunit.
On come Northeast United again. End-to-end stuff. Just like how that first half ended, the second half has started with the same passion. Beautiful shot. Curler taken by Nestor. They're coming close, just not close enough are Northeast United. Yeah, he seems like one of those players, Guillermo, who could get under your skin. Seems like one of those intelligent players, always pops up in the box. Here he comes again with the header, and there it is! It's been coming! It has been coming! And who it has fallen into? It's fallen into the feet of Nestor!
We all know what he has under his belt, and when this ball comes in, look at that header. Just gone behind, and then the first time striker, who does that? Just an out and out striker can do that. Look at that body balance. He keeps himself so straight. He has all the time in the world to take that ball in. Nobody really targeting him.
Puts in a good ball. He's got a sweet left foot on him. Guillermo again popping up at the right space at the right time. Just love to see the awareness as far as the striker is concerned. You see his positioning. Imami East Bengal, finalists in the last edition of the tournament. Here's Jithin MS. He's looked so good down that left flank.
Today they're playing in the quarterfinals, so you can't write them off.
Here comes Christopher now. And straight away brought into the game by Bemamar. Radim Talang, first hand pass. Opts for a 1-2. Ably put in. Cross. How about that for a finish?
That ball, a little awkward piece of work from the striker. This is like a striker's goal, I would say. Simply gets his feet to it, back heels it into the goal. Goalkeeper really screaming for touching that ball. What a cross this is.
Talk about awareness. Just talk about awareness. That is just brilliant awareness. That ball was getting away from him, or he probably ran in front a bit too much, but just make that last minute change, and getting that touch on the ball and making sure that it's reached the back of the net. Here's Pradeep again. Puts in a good cross. There's a player coming in, attacking that ball. Good bit of defending by Northeast United. And here comes Ajare. With only one thing on his mind, and that is the back of the goal. Misses it on that occasion. Danger still not averted for Northeast United. And there you have it. The first semi-finalists of this edition's Durand Cup are Northeast United, beating Indian Army football team by 2 goals to 0.